Practice reading sentences with I want to be. I want to be a doctor and help cure the sick. I want to be a teacher and help kids learn and grow. I want to be an astronaut and explore the stars in my rocket ship. I want to be a superhero with a cool cape and amazing powers. I want to be a chef and cook delicious meals for everyone. I want to be a scientist and discover new things in my lab. I want to be a firefighter and save people from burning buildings. I want to be a famous artist and paint colorful masterpieces. I want to be a veterinarian and take care of cute animals. I want to be a magician and perform amazing tricks with my wand. I want to be an explorer and venture into mysterious jungles. I want to be a dancer and twirl gracefully on stage. I want to be a detective and solve tricky mysteries. I want to be a farmer and grow yummy fruits and veggies. I want to be an inventor and create cool gadgets. I want to be a rock star and sing my heart out on stage. I want to be a pilot and fly high in the sky. I want to be a zookeeper and take care of wild animals. I want to be a storyteller and share magical tales with everyone. Practice reading sentences. Start with this is. Children, let's read. That is a beautiful seashell washed up on the beach. That is a friendly robot ready to play. That is a shiny red apple waiting to be eaten. That is a big yellow school bus picking up kids. That is a tiny ladybug crawling on the leaf. That is a friendly snowman with a carrot nose. That is a bumpy caterpillar turning into a butterfly. That is a magical wand for casting spells. That is a cozy fireplace warming up the room. That is a magical book filled with adventures. Practice reading sentences. Start with my pet. Children, read with me. My pet rabbit enjoys munching on fresh carrots. Let's repeat, children. My pet rabbit enjoys munching on fresh carrots. My pet hamster runs on its wheel all night long. My pet hamster runs on its wheel all night long. My pet turtle slowly strolls around the garden. My pet turtle slowly strolls around the garden. My pet parrot talks and mimics everything I say. My pet parrot talks and mimics everything I say. My pet guinea pig squeaks when it's happy. My pet guinea pig squeaks when it's happy. My pet frog hops around its little pond. My pet frog hops around its little pond. My pet lizard changes colors to blend in. My pet lizard changes colors to blend in. My pet goat enjoys climbing and exploring. My pet goat enjoys climbing and exploring. My pet piglet snorts happily when it sees me. My pet piglet snorts happily when it sees me. My pet horse trots proudly in the field. My pet horse trots proudly in the field. My pet duck waddles and quacks near the pond. My pet duck waddles and quacks near the pond. My pet cow gives us fresh milk every morning. My pet cow gives us fresh milk every morning. My pet sheep has the softest wool. My pet sheep has the softest wool. My pet chicken lays fresh eggs daily. My pet chicken lays fresh eggs daily. My pet peacock shows off its beautiful feathers. My pet peacock shows off its beautiful feathers. My pet monkey swings from branch to branch. My pet monkey swings from branch to branch. My pet dove coos softly in its cage. My pet dove coos softly in its cage. Great work, children!